For the work, you need this calibration aid, which you position in front of the vehicle. The work begins on the diagnostic system. In the control unit view, go to the multifunction camera. Click on the Adaptations tab, then on Teaching Procedures, and then Calibration. Read the instructions for the upcoming steps carefully. The calibration aid must be 3 meters from the middle of the wheel. Measure the distance on the driver's and passenger's side. In addition, the calibration aid must be aligned parallel to the bumper. Therefore, measure the distance to the vehicle crosswise and correct the position of the calibration aid if necessary. Then check the distance to the midpoint of the wheel again. Make sure that the calibration aid is 1 meter 30 centimeters from the ground. We continue with the diagnostic system. Measure the height of the front wheel arches on the driver's and passenger's side. Enter the values determined in the corresponding fields. Press Continue, and the calibration is now carried out. If all values are within the target range, your work is complete.